Hey guys, Joshua here, and today we're going to be taking a look at this care package that Cooler Master sent over. Obviously, since this was sent over by Cooler Master, all the stuff in here is going to be from them, so let me just go through everything that they've actually sent over. And seriously, huge shout out to them. I do love checking out new peripherals and gear, so this just really makes me very happy. For the DIY PC parts, in this big box right here, this is the Cooler Master Master Box NR600 PC case, which is a minimalistic budget case that I've definitely seen some very good reviews on this, so I can't wait to build in it. And to pair with this case, they've actually sent over their Hyper 212 RGB Black Edition CPU cooler and also the Cooler Master V650 Gold PSU, which is fully modular and semi-fanless. What I currently have in mind is to build a semi-blackout system for maybe couch gaming or a minimalistic system with just a dash of RGB, but I'm still open to change, so do let me know in the comments what kind of system you'd like to see in this case, and I'll definitely take it into consideration. Moving on, Cooler Master have been kind enough to actually send over an entire suite of their gaming gears. So we have the Master Keys MK750 RGB mechanical gaming keyboard, MM830 mouse with the hidden D-pad side button design and OLED display, paired with their MP860 mousepad, which is dual-sided and also RGB. Something that I'm really interested in and will definitely be checking out in detail is the MH752 gaming headset, which I will be 100% be releasing a video focusing on this, because with as few spoilers as possible, this is a very interesting headset to say the least for its pricing. Last but definitely not the least, since it's way too big to put on the table, is Cooler Master's first foray into the gaming furniture line. This is their Caliber R1 gaming chair. I actually saw this at Computex and sat in it for a bit, but I look forward to testing it out, building it, and really actually seeing how it fares compared to other gaming chairs. So look forward to that video. Anyways, that's it for the package that was sent over. Again, a huge shout out to Cooler Master for sending all of these amazing things my way. I really appreciate it to the max. Be on the lookout for the individual videos that will be coming out, checking out some of the stuff in detail, and yeah, remember like and subscribe for more tech and gaming videos, and also some desk setup videos that are definitely coming up. Hit the notification bell to get notified when new videos come up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao!